In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit free templates in Google Slides. Whether you're a student preparing a class presentation, a professional working on your next pitch, or simply experimenting with slide design, these steps will help you get the most out of Google Slides. First, let's navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Slides into the search bar. Once you've arrived at the Google Slides homepage, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create a new presentation. Look for the colorful plus sign that says blank below it. Clicking this will open a new presentation. But since we're focusing on templates today, let's explore some that are pre-made. Near the blank presentation option, you will notice a section labeled Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on it. Here's where all the magic happens. You'll see a variety of different templates categorized by different needs, such as education, work, personal, and more. Browse through these categories to find a style that suits your presentation. Once you've found a template that you like, click on it. This will open a new presentation based on that specific template. At this point, it's crucial to take a moment to explore the template. You'll notice several pre-designed slides on the left panel. These layouts are a great starting point and can be customized to fit your content. Speaking of customization, let's move on to editing your template. The beauty of Google Slides is its flexibility. You can edit text, change colors, and even alter images to personalize your slides. Click on any text box to modify the text. If you wish to change the font style or size, navigate to the toolbar at the top and play around with the font options. Changing slide backgrounds can add a personal touch to your presentation. To do this, click on the Background button at the top. Here, you can choose to use a solid color or insert an image by selecting the Choose Image option. For adding your own photos, you can upload directly from your computer or via a URL, Google Photos, or even your Google Drive. Now, if you want to add more slides, simply click on the plus icon in the toolbar above the slide panel. From here, you can select different styles that come with your chosen template. Remember, consistency is key for a professional look, so try to stick to the same template style for a cohesive presentation. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to add and edit templates in Google Slides, empowering you to create visually appealing and creative presentations with ease. Practice these steps, and soon you'll find yourself crafting presentations that captivate and communicate effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.